Hi everybody. Mr. Prod has asked that you put together a presentation that includes pictures with the Ken Burns effect, as well as voiceover. The best tool for your use in this project would probably be Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark will give you the ability to insert images, do voiceover, add music, and even automatically adding the Ken Burns pan and zoom effect to images. Here's how you can take a Google Slides and turn it into an Adobe Spark presentation. Here's the slideshow that I just happen to have available at my workstation here. If I wanted to download these slides to use in Adobe Spark, I would first click on the slide that I'd like to use and go to the File menu. At the File menu, we want to go to Download As, and then you can download it either as a JPEG or a PNG image. Now unfortunately you have to do this one slide at a time, but it really doesn't take all that long. So here's my second slide. Again, I can go to File, Download As, JPEG Image. My third slide, File, Download As, JPEG Image. Now I can go to spark.adobe.com and sign in. You should be able to sign in with your Google credentials here from school. At the Spark homepage, you'll want to look for the big blue plus at the top. That allows you to create a new project. We want to create a video, and your view might be slightly different than mine, but click on video when you find it. And I like to go up here to where it says start from scratch and choose video that way. You can give it a name right away. And then I usually start from scratch right here, or make up my own. Either one of these options is essentially the same thing. It does take a moment to load the Spark environment. Once you're in Adobe Spark, it functions a lot like a Google Slides. You can create a title slide, add additional slides right here. If you'd like to add your images, you can hit this plus in the middle if these don't come up automatically, but you can go to Photo and either add things here, or Upload Photo is what you're going to go to, and it will be in your Chromebook. And the slides that you just downloaded will share the name of the slideshow that you created. So here's one of mine, and there it is. I can add another photo here, and if you made a mistake like I just did, just hit the three buttons there, three dots, and hit delete. Get rid of it. So the most annoying part of this is just uploading it one slide at a time. And maybe I'll add a third slide for this demonstration. Upload the photo. There it is. You can move these around if you want that to be a title instead, and that's extra. I can get rid of it. You can adjust the timings of these. If you want this to be up for 4 seconds, right over here on the lower right, there it is. Maybe you want it to be 30 seconds, but usually 4 seconds is fine for just a title slide. You can record voiceover narrative using the red microphone icon here. You simply click and hold and it records your voice, and if you don't like it, well, you can click and hold and record it again. As you're working through this, if you want the Ken Burns effect, they'll actually automatically be applied. But there are some things you can change to tweak your presentation. You can go over here to Layout and choose what type of layout you'd like, whether it's full screen, split screen, captions, or titles. For the theme, you can choose a limited number of themes and colors that might better suit your presentation. And then you can resize to be widescreen or even square. Music can be added here. They have a modest library of pre-loaded tracks. You can also add your own copyright-free music as well. And this volume slider here adjusts the volume of the background music. So if you're using voiceover again, you want to make sure you don't set your background music too loud so that it drowns you out. When you're all done doing all of your editing, it's as simple as clicking share to publish your project. You'd pick a category, you'd probably say education, and then you go ahead and create a link. That will create a link to your project.